Okay, Mimi will do it.
The A says, the B says,
The C says, the D says, the E says,
the F says, the G says,
G.
G. The H says, the I says,
Eh. The K says,
and the L says, the M says, and the N says, the O says, and the P says, the Q says, and the R says, the S says, and the T says, the U says, and the V says, and the W says, and the X says, and the Y says, and the Z says. What starts with? What's that? Do you know anything that starts with Z? What kind of shirt did Mimi have on yesterday? We went to the
Zoo.
Zoo starts with Z.
Hey, Ava. Ava, look at Mommy. Good job.
Okay.
I'm very proud of you.
Okay,
Great
now
job. Now you can finish your project, okay?
Okay.